I grew up in the very remote area in Nepal. It's one of the most remote part of the country. Before I left home, there was bomb blast at my village, and that severely damaged my hand. People thought, okay, I have no life at my place because that would require such a hard labor growing up in the mountains. Like everything is determined how much can you work in your daily life. So I think I have a good relation with my teacher, and they were the one who told me about this program, UWC program. But okay, now I know about UWC program, but how am I gonna fill out the application? That was the huge burden at that time. I borrowed a phone from my cousin overnight because during the day he would go to work, and then once he comes back from the work, I would borrow his phone, and then that was actually first time using the cell phone. So my English was very poor, literally zero English at that point. So I used the Google translation to fill out that application, and I had to travel to the capital city, and it was the time of the COVID. So I had to walk for 13 days to just for the interview, and I didn't know if I was ever going to be accepted or not. I just walked for hope, that hope. I think that hope paid off eventually, and that's why I am here today. Once I came here, the first thing that came into my mind was what are the opportunities and what are the options available at the University of Oklahoma that can help me grow. The president leadership class, the community at OU, and I wanted to grow more as a global citizen. The ABC scholarship really helped me to understand the importance of education in the life. Once you get an opportunity, it can open the doors of opportunity for so many other people. That's why I chose OU. I had an opportunity to visit my home in the summer of 2023. I saw two children writing on the floor. They were trying to write some alphabets. That really touched my heart, right? So I thought, okay, what if I can provide just one pencil and one piece of paper to these kids? Maybe they will be able to write better alphabets, right? Then I decided to start a NGO, starting from my place. Right now it's growing more into my district, but eventually I hope it can grow all over the Nepal. I never dreamed of being here. I have achieved more than what I have dreamed of in my life. I feel like I have so many responsibilities, not only for my life, but also for my family and my community. This is one of my dreams, to serve all the population that live on the remote regions of Nepal. Once you get to you, you will have a lot of resources. Yeah, use those resources not only for your life, but also for the life of other people that can bring a sustainable change.